Ayan, it's time for us to open this one. Okay. Really good. Ayan. Ayan. Ano ba yung bukari mo? Ayan. Ay, ayaw. Klaseng ko siya. Ay. Okay. Really excited na ako. Ayan, ayan. Tadadadan. Get ready. Ito na po. Ayan. Ay, pati pala sa side. Well sealed siya. Well sealed. Ayan. Okay. Ayan na po. Opening. Lagasan natin siya. Ayan. Ooh, lala. Ayan, may manual. May manual siya. Of course, this is in German, but I'm sure there's English and other languages. Instruction manual. Meron siyang lala, styrofoam for protection on top. Very good. And then, ito na po siya. Okay, check na ito. Tray po siya. Ayan, it's a tray. Look, the wire rack. And then, meron siya nito. And they have a styrofoam here, and then let me just remove this one. We have the cord. How will I bring this out? Naku po, paano ito ilalabas? Mabigat siya. May plastic siya. There's a plastic here. Oh, it's big naman. This is big. Okay, here it is. Da-da-da-da. Wow, really big. With the plastic. Wow, this is really big. I never expected this to be this big. Grabe. Look what they gave me. Okay guys, it's out of the box now. This is really big. I never imagined I would get this one this big. I think they sent me the wrong one, because I know this is bigger than what I wanted. I have to find out. Anyway, see? Okay, I need to check out what that knob is for. Ayan po. And then we have the cable at the back. Ayan. Ayan, the cable is there. Ayan. To the adapter. There's an adapter. This one is an adapter. Ayan. Okay. Soft the cable. Ayan. And this baby. Yes. I'm all excited. This is color black. Open this one. How? Ayan. Ooh la la. And this one, it's a bit heavy. It's very good. Really glass here. Okay, and this is the one for grilling. Okay. So everything up there. More trays, I think. Okay. Yes. One. And two. Okay, very good. 2 pieces. And then we have this one. Ayan. Okay. Let me open it. Out, 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 out. Ayan. Okay, so this is the one for the French fries. You can put the French fries inside. And the inside, the interior. We have another tray here, I believe. Okay. Okay. And this is another tray. Go get it. Ayan. Okay, guys. Oh my God. Sorry. Ayan. And then, okay, very good. Very interesting. One. We have down here one. This one. So you can do everything at the same time, simultaneously. Very practical. This one. We have another set here. Well packaged. Very good. Well protected with this bubble wrap and styrofoam. Again, well secured. Everything's secured, so it won't fall off. I just cut off this one already. That's why it's falling off, but actually they made it very well. See here, you see the tape. Okay, so let me just wrap everything. Ayan. Okay. Okay, and this screw. That's one. Okay. And at the back side, very practical, huh? At the back side, you have this 2 metal sheet. Again, well secured. Very good. Huh? Ayan. 1 metal. Ayan. This one. I need my husband to help me use these things. Yeah. I wanted to buy before, but I've always wanted to have this one, like the grill, but very expensive. But this time, I only got it for 133 Swiss francs. Ayan. Siguro ganyan yan. Ayan. 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 It's blue. Ay. See? See? So the chicken, oh my gosh. I have to secure it, of course. But just to give you an idea. Okay, I put it inside and it's rolling. Yes. Wow. I'm so happy. Ayan po. Okay. So that's all about it, guys. Oh, I'm so excited to use it. To God be the glory. Thank you, Lord. But I believe I have to call them up because I think this is bigger than what I actually ordered for. I'll find out, okay? This should be, I think, like 150 Swiss francs. Mine was 133 and I believe should be a bit smaller. But anyway, I'll find out. Okay, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Next time, I'll show you how it goes. boring, huh? This packaging. You see what it offers or what you can do with it. Okay. Is it an adapter? Okay, for Swiss plug. You see the white one? It's connected. Yes, and then now let's see. The moment of truth. Oh, hello. Start, stop. Okay, you just need to press it. And now we have the display. We have the display and the different functions available for this air fryer. Yes. Got a confirmation from the company that they sent me the bigger size, 160 francs. I told them I wanted to keep it. They agreed without charging me extra. They even gave me a discount, 10 Swiss francs less. From 133, I got this for only 123 Swiss francs. 2 years ago, if I bought this one, it would have cost me even 200 Swiss francs. Thank God my husband didn't want me to buy it yet because he told me no place on our kitchen top. I waited, but this year it was bound to happen. I got this one for a very special price and even the size I wanted and the one with the grill. To God be the glory.